This video is for secretaries using Campdraft One to issue refunds and prize money using a bulk ABA file. After logging in, navigate to Draws. Here we need to ensure all events are finalized. If you did not use Campdraft One to enter results for a certain event, for example, in the case of stables or clinics, you will need to enter a score of at least 1 into one competitor's score for admin purposes and make them a winner. We will not publish these results. In these cases, and in the case of gymkhanas or events with no prize money, click Edit Calculations. If you try to change the declared prize money to 0, you will not be able to use a round money calculator. Instead, enter any amount above 0 and hit Calculate Round Money. Then, in the round's prize money, change the round money to 0 and hit Update Event. Events will automatically pay out round money is for the ACA rulebook. If you wish to change the payout for any event, click Edit Calculation, Calculate Round Money, and make your edits in the round's prize money calculator. To change places, click the red pencil. Then click the green floppy disk to save. Finally, hit Update Event. Please note that any time you exit out of the round money calculator, then go back into it, the calculator will default to showing the prize money or the rulebook. Like so. Rest assured, if you have already changed this for your event and saved, your changes are still in place. You can check this by going to Draws, and Prize Money Summary. Here you can see all the updates you have made. When you are happy with your prize money summary, navigate to Reports. Select Outgoing Money and your draft from the drop-down. Watch part 2 of this video for paying out prize money and refunds.